We grew these plants from seeds. It took us about 8 weeks. If you haven't seen that video, I have put the link in the description. You can check it out. So our eggplant plants are doing really good. Now I can see flowers everywhere. So just waiting for the eggplants now. So you can see so many flowers coming in. And now I actually see the eggplants. Quite a few eggplants showing up. So happy to see. The eggplant plants are doing really well. So many flowers and so many eggplants. I think they should be ready to harvest in a week. These eggplants are really growing long. Look at this. And they are almost ready to be picked. And many more flowers coming on the top. So it's been about 3 months that we planted the eggplant seeds, and now we have these beautiful eggplants growing. So I'm going to pick these today. So the question comes, when to pick your eggplants? So I look for two things. The first thing is that I see my eggplants every day, and when I see that they are not growing anymore, so that's a sign that tells me that okay, they are ready. The second thing is that they should be dark in color and glossy. If you see that they have started to fade away or becoming lighter in color, that means they are past their prime or almost past their prime. You want to pick those. So make sure you pick them when they are dark and glossy. So look at our harvest. So happy to see these eggplants. So I'm going to be cooking a lot of eggplants now. So I am going to make another video in which I'll show you how I cook them, and maybe you can share your recipes, how you cook your eggplants. It took us about 3 months to get to this stage from seeds to eggplants, mature eggplants that we can now harvest. We just planted the seeds. Initially, it took them some time, probably 6 weeks to get started. But once they started growing, they were growing really, really fast. And in 3 months, we have the eggplants. And it requires a lot of sun, a lot of water. Once it starts to produce flowers, you can also fertilize it with, phosphorus-rich fertilizer so that it can produce more eggplants. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.